in her back while I'm gripping her side. We can make back, this ain't regular pussy. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock.
Y'all like the new cut? Bruh, come on, let's get this video.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's Tyler, and I'm back with another video.
Show the food.
All right, show the food. Show the food, even though they probably saw by the thumbnail.
Are y'all ready for what we got today?
Right, period. Y'all ready? Today we're gonna be doing. I ain't even gonna call this a mukbang. We call this a mukbang because we like not gonna be talking about nothing. I don't think.
We created a conversation.
Probably. But I don't know if it's gonna be a mukbang or we just trying the new Popeyes chicken sandwiches. Well, I said it like that. Popeyes. It's like I said Popeyes, but nah. But we're gonna be trying the new Popeyes chicken sandwich, and you know, we're gonna see if it's good or bad. You know, I got my strawberry lemonade. You know.
I ain't get my juice.
It's right here.
That ain't it. Oh, what the?
Alright, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm lit. You can be lit too if you just hit that subscribe button down below and join the Lit fam. You know, Lit's family on YouTube.
It's lit.
Litty. Come on. Well, make sure you drop a like if you like the content, and share to everybody you know. And I guess we're just gonna get right in this video. Alright, let's try it. They all the same though.
You ain't put extra mayo?
They don't have mayo. They got like some weird sauce that come with it, I think. I didn't see mayo on the picture, so that's why I was like, I'm about to ask for extra mayo. And
I don't want the sauce. I just want the mayo.
oh, you wanted mayo?
Yeah.
You didn't say no mayo.
Yes,
You said mayo, and that's it. Extra mayo. Well, it come with mayo. Do it? I probably was looking at the spicy one.
It come with bullshit.
Oh, I'm sorry too if this light kind of weird. We sitting right in front of a window, and it's looking nice though. Yo, give me your pickles.
No, I'm eating it plain.
Oh, you weird. Why you always want the pickles though? I
always eat my pickles without the sandwich.
Weird. That's gonna make the sandwich. You at least gotta have the first bite with pickles. She said no, I'm cool. All right, so let me see. Should we show them what's on? It ain't shit on the burger.
The chicken?
Yeah. Oh wait, how we gotta do a thumbnail first?
Thumbnail?
Yeah, thumbnail. Like, how let's just fake it, like fake bite.
Can I just hold this long ass pickle like this?
Yeah. Alright. Okay, thumbnails completed. It's like, nah, but alright, so I'm just ready to eat. I'm hungry though. You already bit it!
Oh shit.
We about to do it together. It don't matter. Okay, well I'm gonna taste it though. Alright. Wait, I want the pickle side, you know, see the pickle. Nah, but let me try this though. Wait, nah, I'm gonna turn it around. We got pickles on the bottom too, if y'all want to see that. I don't even know if I can see it, but they got pickles on the bottom. They ain't got the juiciest part. Alright, ready?
Oh, ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'll be ready.
I don't know why I hit it at.
Okay. Shit, power. This shit slap. This shit slap.
It would be better if it was spicy.
Popeyes spicy too spicy for me. I like hot, but I don't like spicy.
Bruh, I felt like I was gonna choke on that.
Bruh.
No homo.
I'm keeping that in the video. I'm weak. Damn, got me choking. But nah, that's good.
The hype was cool. The hype was cool.
I don't like Popeyes for real.
Oh God.
But this sandwich, niggas might have to go back and get one.
I don't even eat Popeyes for real.
At all. Like that's the last thing on my list to eat. When I buy some good food, last thing on my list.
Look at the smoke.
But here we are now.
Right.
Steaming.
Alright, so I mean, shit, let's turn this into a
Steam coming
mukbang.
off my sandwich still.
We can talk about something.
Still hot and ready.
It's crunchy.
So this is a fat ass chicken breast basically on the sandwich.
Basically. On some Chick-fil-A type stuff. This better than Chick-fil-A, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Yes, it is. It's better
I
than
never ate
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Yes. You never ate Chick-fil-A? Are you for real?
Yeah, that's it.
Bro, you're the first person I heard. Everybody can try something from Chick-fil-A.
No, donate one like so we could get her some Chick-fil-A.
Right. One like equals her Chick-fil-A. So if we get 1 like on this video, we get Chick-fil-A. Next video with her is gonna be a mukbang with Chick-fil-A, cause what the f, I don't even like Chick-fil-A though, but I eat it just because you haven't ate Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A comes straight from God.
Yeah, it's really good though. Custom, huh?
Cause they at church.
Right. Period.
Da-dum.
Our job should be like that. So
It really good. I get tired of working all the time, even though I specifically say I want to be off on Sundays though. They be getting mad when I say that too. All right, let's talk about jobs. How's everybody's job life going? That's a good mukbang topic.
Cool.
I hate my second job. I'm ready to quit.
I ain't gonna prep. I'm full off this.
I'm full already too.
I'm full. Not even got half
I'm
left.
full. Like that was a lot of chicken.
Each bite is a mouthful. This shit good.
I like the bread. It's kind of
It's like, I think it's there.
That's some good bread.
This food so good.
Oh my god, bro. I feel like I can't breathe chewing on that stuff. My bad.
Nah, I believe that. It don't matter.
Sorry, YouTube.
He said sorry, YouTube. Okay. I don't think I'm about to say this because I'm full. You full? How about you get full quick? I'm sorry.
But we're doing this for you guys.
Oh, drop video ideas if y'all want to see something. Oh, shit. Spit something.
LA mukbang.
Oh, yeah. I'm supposed to be going to LA. Well, we, not her.
Bitch, don't do that.
So, nah, but we supposed to be going to LA. So, you know, it's going to be some good LA content within like the next,
LA.
probably within the next 6 videos, probably. I don't know how many I'm gonna post. Okay, let me stop eating this. I'm gonna save it for later.
Boy, eat that. That little bitty piece.
Bro, I'm really not full. I said really not full. I'm really full.
I'm gonna rip it up.
Good. LA mukbang will be happening. They say in and out nasty, but shit, I'm still trying it though.
We gonna see.
Right, we gonna see from here. I would try, you know, I think it's another thing called Shake Shack that they got down there.
Yeah.
They already had that in Cleveland.
For real?
Mm-hmm, tried it, it was good.
What else burger place they got?
I just know they got hella healthy restaurants.
That's what I'm looking forward to.
Cause where we at, they ain't got shit. Yeah, I'm cool on this. I'm really full. Huh? Yeah, I think we'd have tried everything.
Well, not me, but.
Well, I've been try a majority of everything Cincinnati could offer. I mean, cause I'm out here like swimwear. Out there like swimwear. It's like, nah, niggas perfect. I just lied. Niggas don't be nowhere. But on the food side, I'd probably try everything Cincinnati had to offer though. Majority.
Wing Fest coming up.
Wing Fest, bruh.
I just like the hot shit.
Huh?
The hot stuff. I only like hot wings.
We're gonna
Not
try
like
so
barbecue.
many wings.
Bruh, that's gonna be so good. I guarantee it.
People gonna be like, F a diet.
You hear me?
I was gonna diet, but for YouTube, not.
For YouTube, we got y'all with the unhealthy food.
Somebody was gonna diet. What that?
For real. I need to get back in shape. Healthy shape.
You was
I
annoying.
need to get in shape.
No, like A shape. Like
No. Y'all still. Motherfuckers get a
oh, haircut. Wait, I'm gonna probably have to. What was the
Sorry,
last video we was in, bro?
Bougie, I got a haircut.
Haircut, you see it? Waves. See, look. I'm not scruffy looking Tyler no more. This Tyler Rashawn 2.0.
Oh,
Brought back from the dead.
It's like, nah, but okay, niggas not eating no more. We just cracking jokes and shit. So I guess we're gonna end the video right here. Yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. If you stayed around for the video,
they had to see the edges.
if you like the content that I be putting out, make sure you drop a like down below for more, and make sure you share to everybody you know. And remember, come on, tell them. Remember, I'm lit. You guys, I'm lit.
It's lit.
And you could be lit too if you subscribe down below and hit the post notification button too, so you can be informed of every time I post a video on my channel. And to the what?
It really was. That pickle was nasty.
It tastes like a cucumber. It don't taste like pickle.
It's like a strong pickle.
The pickles was thick though. 2 thick ass pickles. Okay, you ain't gotta make that face.
I'm zoned out. Like, why it taste like
You
that?
shouldn't have saved this. Post op. Certain stuff don't taste good when it's by itself though.
I like everybody pickles.
Shout out to Popeyes. The chicken sandwich was actually good. It was crunchy, but you know, it was worth the money. Put it like that. I think it was worth the money.
Louisiana
For a
style.
Popeyes chicken.
For a Popeyes chicken, it was worth
You
the
can
money.
say that.
It was worth the
But
money.
I've had better. A McChicken probably was better.
Ooh,
A
$1?
chicken can never.
Right, a McChicken could never. But
Bruh.
you gotta say it like that, could never.
Straight gristle.
Right.
Gristle sandwich.
Keep showing me love, and I'll be back with them. And this is Tyler, Aisha, and Adrian. And peace.
Yeah.
See y'all.
TNA. Get it?
TNA. You so okay, but like this is TNA. TNA. Come on, everybody gotta do the whoa.
Oh well.
Woo,
We out.
Ooh.
Woo.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
This one too.
I'm putting that in the video too. I'm putting that in the video. She said, ooh, let me keep some napkins. It's like, nah, motherfucker, I keep napkins too. I think, wait, what we throwing this in here like it's garbage?
Okay.
Shit,
I got a little bite.
I got my little bite left.